Here is the Olympus IZM220 overall conditions. Okay, here is the battery compartment. Using two CR123A battery. So about the battery, we need to put at the left, then only to the right. Okay, like that. Then put it inside and off it. Okay, close it. And here to open the back cover, like that. Inside like this. And here's the film. About the film, we need to slide from the bottom to the top, like that. Okay, and pull the film tip to here. Yeah, you can see there's a orange line lah. Okay, then make sure that your film is flat, and we just close it, and it auto load. Okay, see whether you've loaded the film successfully or not on it. Okay, yeah, here's show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. Then here is the zoom in, zoom out. Here is the viewfinder. Okay, we load into the viewfinder at the center here. We have a circle lah. So you just use that circle to aim whatever you want to focus and half press it. Okay, if it doesn't blink, it light up like this, means that it's okay. Okay, if it has orange light, which means that this situation it will trigger the flash. Green light means that it's focused. If the green light is keep blinking, which means that it can't focus. Yeah, and okay, I'll show you. Yeah, you see it can't focus, well, it won't trigger the flash because I face to the top here. Yeah, it means that it's focused, then it can shoot. Yeah, and you see it doesn't trigger any flash. Then now it's like at auto mode. Well, you can adjust to here. This one is considered like red light reduction lah. So it will start like blinking for a few times, then only fire the flash. But I personally feel that it doesn't have any big difference, and it will cause shorten the battery life lah. Okay, then this one is off the flash, fill in flash, and flash in night mode. Night mode is like it will have a slower shutter speed, and our personal will recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. Then subject, this one is the timer, also same. Half press, aim to the object first, half press, press it. Here red light light up means that the timer is start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that to shoot. When it's almost there, it will start blinking for a few times lah. You can see it, yeah, like that. Okay, then this one is continuous shooting. It's like if I didn't release it, wait, I try. If I didn't release, it will keep shoot. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, maybe it can't focus a bit, so it will stop. Wait, I try to off the flash first. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it will keep shooting unless I release it. While it also, if it can't focus, then it will stop also lah. Okay, then this one is like both mode. Then this one is like spot metering. While it's using usually like for backlight lah. Okay, backlight kind of situation. Like that means that it's fully auto. So the overall is like this, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So no worry in using, and if you didn't use it, remember to off it like that.